Hello friends, today I will show you how to change a mini bike tire. In the video, I will show you how to replace the old worn outer tire and the flat inner tire, all with the help of 2 screwdrivers. Before we start, let all the air out of the tire. Press the tire down to peel the edge of the outer tire off the rim. Do this on both sides. I used liquid soap and some water to make a soapy solution that would help me get the tire out. Spray liberally between tire and rim to make it much easier. Now I'm just going to use 2 screwdrivers to get the tire off the rim. One side is removed. We need to peel the inner tire from the rim. For years the inner tube sat inside and stuck to the rim. After peeling the inner tire off the rim, it's time to remove the outer tire completely from the rim. It's time to replace the old slicks with a new outer tire and a new inner tire. Do everything in reverse order to put everything back. Once you have everything in place, simply tap the tire on both sides to fit the inner tube before inflating it. Thanks for watching the video, I hope it was helpful. You can subscribe to my channel. You can also leave a comment to let me know what you think. Thank you all.